I be so sick, you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like water while you play me out. Arguments, you air me out.
My beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for one of my videos once again. And if you're seeing this face for the first time, welcome. What the fuck? Should we intro? So, welcome back to another episode of Lisa Leaves, episode 3 of Lisa Leaves, and on this specific episode, you're spending my birthday with me. It is my birthday, it is the 25th of May, and I have quite a few exciting things to do, so let's go.
Happy birthday, my graduate. Happy birthday, my graduate. I'm anti-busy.
So I'm at Table Mountain to take cable car e-catch and Kutabana. The queue is very long. I'm also very late, not late because I couldn't delay but I thought I'd be here way earlier. So I'm going to take the queue. It's about an hour 30 minutes and then we get to the cable car. Sana if bengiyazile bagcola kanje ngendivuke down because ngokuthiwa ndizolinda i-hour and it's already like 10, so unabanzobuya ngo-1 but hey, it's fine, so far it's 10. Sana, it's an hour later and I'm still waiting, but I'm close. I don't know nobody avakala, but also the sun is so hot for bus besime elangeni, but I'm getting close and the time now is about 11:30, so I'll be back around 01 kanj, back as in come down from the top and then go to waterfront because next I'm going to waterfront. Sana, finally we are at the top. The dinner down. To think that this is like the first thing that I'm doing today. Also, my phone is very low. I charged my power bank. My power bank is full. I have my power bank with me, but I forgot my cable. But I do have a cable that I'm gonna try and see if it actually works. Then if it doesn't, this is probably the last time you're gonna see me if it doesn't work. Not the last, but before I go to Waterfront, then I'll get to Waterfront and get a charger and then charge my phone. Because I still want to go to the aquarium and then go to the Cape Wheel. I want to go for the Sky High ride, but I feel like it's already too late, so I don't know. Because as much as I can spend the entire day here, it's risky for me to get back home at Suku. So I don't want to go back home, go 7 late. So latest should be like 5 p.m. Of which, impossible because it's already 1. But I'm just going to take a few pictures here and then go back. Because the Bonileba, so people are still here at the top. So there's a total advantage. To Waterfront, guys. Oh, the dinner. I feel about to go, but like honestly, I've had enough. I didn't anticipate this day being this hot, but it actually was too hot. And I'm a bit disappointed. Last week, my business number was hacked. So Jay might be hacked the business number. I called by MTN and then I requested them to block the number. I blocked any number. So now I'm going there to unblock the number, but I have to bring affidavit to like very hard. I thought it was going to be just me unblocking and then going back to my WhatsApp, but like that means still I can't take any bookings because WhatsApp number I'm gonna have to have another number. I'm so bored. I'm just going to have lunch and then maybe go to the Cape Pool and go home. I try. Oh, it has the sauce, but I chop on well. Nansi Cape Pool ndidlula sana ndidinwe iyaxoka. Not namhlanje. Maybe ngenye imini. I don't know if you can see it. But not today, maybe ngenye imini. Can vela again one more time. And I think that is it for my birthday, guys. I'm going home. I got this smoothie from Kawaii. Get 0 rands. So let me see you next time.